How to add contact us form to Canva website. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. So there are two ways you can add it. The first is simply opening up your canva.com website and creating a new design. For that, once you're logged into your account, you will see this projects here. Click onto it and then simply type in contact form and search. As you do so, it will give you various designs. In my case, this is the one that I have created. Now we can go ahead and edit each and every part of this form, from contact us to location to phone number and email address. If you would like more templates, you can also use other third-party application. If you go ahead at the top search bar, type in contact form creator by Jotform, you will see various templates, but this requires you to sign in first. Once you sign into your account, you can go ahead and select a template. If you would like this one, click on preview and use this. From here, you have to create each and every part, or you can also go by default. Once you like it, you can go ahead and publish and copy the link. Once the link has been copied, come back to your Canva and paste the link here. Wait for this to load. And now the form that you just created on Jotform is here. Just like so guys, these are the two ways you can add contact us in your Canva website.